What's up guys, Lomy here, and today I'm gonna be showing you guys how to make an airplane as a bird for children to play with. It's so easy to make. You're just going to need one paper. So let's get started. Start folding the paper into the half of the triangle, like this. From here, take it to the other point. Fold it correctly. Like this. Then you'll see two ends. Fold them in half. Now you have the paper in half. You're just going to need to fold it in other half, like this. Like this. Then open it and fold this like a triangle. You're going to do a triangle or something like this on the line. The other the same way. You'll find it like this. One piece with a line that opens and one piece with no line. So you're going to fold this edge to the two lines that they intersected. Like this. Open it and fold it again to make sure that it's straight. Then fold it on the line that you have folded. Then open it. Fold it again to be sure. Open it. You'll find it so big. So you're going to fold one in the middle of the two lines. But it got to be straight. Has to be straight. You'll find three lines in equal. Fold this part, not on the big line, no, in the medium line, which means the second line. The other, it has to intersect with the other one. Then you'll find a line, fold the sheet on the line. Then get it back on the small line, like this. Then you'll have it like this. Fold it the other way. Then put it in half, like this. Open it, and from here you'll find the line and fold it too, like this. The other one, the same. Then you'll find it like this. It doesn't look like an airplane bird, so you're gonna flap it like this. Then that's it. There we have an airplane as a bird. Thanks for watching guys. Hope you liked this video. If you like this, smash that like button and subscribe and hit the bell so you get notified every time I post a video. Bye. Thanks for watching.